In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable poll that collects responses in real time, perfect for feedback, voting, or quick check-ins with your audience. Start by heading to jotform.com. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, click Sign Up to create one for free. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Create Form button. This is your starting point. You'll see options to start from scratch, use template, or import form. Templates are great for inspiration, and importing works if you're moving an existing form, but for a simple, focused poll, starting from scratch is the easiest and fastest choice. Next, choose your form layout. You'll see two main options, card form and classic form. Card form shows one question per page, which keeps people focused and often leads to higher completion rates for polls. Classic form places everything on a single page. For most polls, card form is the best pick, so go ahead and select that. Now let's add your poll question. On the left side, you'll see the Form Elements panel. Drag a field into your form that fits your poll style. Single choice is great when voters should pick one answer. Multiple choice works when more than one selection is allowed. A drop-down can be useful if you have a longer list of options. Drop your chosen field into the form and you'll see it appear instantly. Click the field to open its settings and customize it. Rename the question to something clear and engaging so people know exactly what they're voting on. Add, delete, or reorder answer choices to match your options, and keep them concise for readability. If you want to make sure everyone answers, mark the question as required. You can also fine-tune visual details and button text for a more polished feel, but simplicity often works best for polls. When you're happy with the setup, it's time to share it. Go to the Publish tab at the top. Jotform gives you multiple ways to distribute your poll. You can share a direct link, send it by email, generate a QR code for in-person events, or embed it on your website. Copy the link and share it wherever your audience is. If you're embedding, grab the embed code provided here and paste it into your site's editor. That's it. You've created a Jotform poll ready to collect votes. Consider testing the link yourself to experience it like your audience would, then watch the responses roll in from your account.